Are you preparing for the ICSE 10th board exam? Then this video is for you. This video contains previous year's board questions on tenses, along with their easy and clear solutions to help you master the topic. Pause the video. Try solving the questions. Check your answers with detailed explanations. Let's begin your ICSE 2025 English 1 preparation. Here is the passage with answers and their Hindi meanings. It was a hot summer afternoon. यह एक गर्मी की दोपहर थी. The air hung heavy with heat. हवा भारी और गर्म थी. The village streets remained eerily quiet. गांव की गलियां अजीब तरह से शांत थी. Eerily means in a strange, mysterious, or scary way. अजीब तरह से, डरावने तरीके से. Example. The house was eerily silent at midnight. मध्यरात्रि में घर अजीब तरह से शांत था. The fog made the forest look eerily beautiful. कोहरा जंगल को अजीब लेकिन सुंदर बना रहा था. 2. लीला sat by the window. लीला खिड़की के पास बैठी थी. Staring at the parched land that stretched endlessly before her. सूखी हुई जमीन को देख रही थी, जो उसके सामने अंतहीन रूप से फैली हुई थी. She knew that the monsoons were late this year. वह जानती थी कि इस साल मानसून देर से आएगा. And the crops withered under the unforgiving sun. और फसलें जलती धूप में मुरझा रही थी. Wither means to become dry. Her mother tried to console her. उसकी माँ उसे दिलासा देने की कोशिश कर रही थी. But deep down, Leela felt an overwhelming sense of despair. लेकिन अंदर से, लीला एक गहरे निराशा के एहसास से भर गई थी. She wondered if the rains would ever come. उसने सोचा कि क्या कभी बारिश होगी. Now, let's move on to the 2024 questions. Pause the video, write your answers, and then check your answers to see if they are correct. Here is the answers with explanations. Next day my uncle spent a lot of time. अगले दिन मेरे चाचा ने बहुत समय बिताए. He selected clothes for me, and my aunt gave my face a scrub and groomed me. उन्होंने मेरे लिए कपड़े चुने, और मेरी चाची ने मेरे चेहरे को साफ किया और मुझे तैयार किए. My uncle followed me about uttering several pieces of advice before letting me out. मेरे चाचा मेरे पीछे पीछे चलते रहे और कई सलाहें देते रहे, इससे पहले कि उन्होंने मुझे बाहर जाने दिए. You must never scowl even if the sun hits you in the eyes. तुम्हें कभी भी त्योरी नहीं चढ़ानी चाहिए, भले ही सूरज तुम्हारी आंखों में चमकता हो. You must try to look pleasant. तुम्हें हमेशा सौम्य और खुश दिखने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. Now, let's move on to the 2023 questions. Pause the video, write your answers, and then check your answers to see if they are correct. Answers with explanations. Thought, past tense of think, as the action happened in the past. Made, past tense of make, as they prepared themselves to look dirty. Went, past tense of go, as they visited the dean. Said, past tense of say, as they told the dean about their excuse. Had gone, past perfect tense of go, to indicate an action completed before another past event. Thanked, past tense of thank, as they expressed gratitude. Had prepared, past perfect tense of prepare, as it happened before the test. Got, past tense of get, as they received the shock. Now, let's move on to the 2020 questions. Pause the video, write your answers, and then check your answers to see if they are correct. Here is your answers. Explanations. Studying. The present participle is used to describe an ongoing action. Lay, the past tense of lie, to be in a resting position. Read, the base form is correct because could is a modal verb. Hankering, began, is followed by gerund, verb plus ing. Belonged, past tense, as the sentence is describing a past event. Learnt, past participle form, as it follows had. Decided, simple past tense, indicating a completed action. Wanted, past tense to match the context of the sentence. All the best for your exam. Keep practicing, stay confident, and give your best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.